We are fast approaching the reopening of the Farragut Town Hall, following extensive renovations that began in 2024. One of the most notable updates to Town Hall is the moving of the Knox County Clerk office to the first floor. This will provide easier access to the most visited office at Town Hall. This is where you can locate all county clerk services, including car tags. Across from the new clerk office will be the Admiral Room. This will be a flexible conference space that can accommodate up to 30 people. The Town Hall boardroom has received a major overhaul. The lighting has been improved and there will be video boards situated around the room for better visibility. There will also be state-of-the-art streaming infrastructure to provide a better viewing experience from home. The Farragut Museum will also be reopening at the same time as Town Hall. There are now rear doors added to the museum, allowing external access to the museum space. To access Town of Farragut staff, there will now be a single point of contact located on the second floor. Check the Town of Farragut website and social media for updates on when Town Hall will reopen.